Hello everyone, welcome to Data-Decoder. Today we are going to discuss about the concept of linked data types. Basically, in Excel there are three different data types or linked data types, that is stock, currency and geography. I've taken the list of country and cities. You can also consider municipal corporations, states, provinces, territories and so on and so forth. I'll select this list and click on geography. And it will convert to linked data type, and you can see the small icon appearing here. Now along with that, you can see there's a plus sign appearing which says extract the data to cell, which is all the fields that Excel offers you. Now in case you want to see what is the birth rate of a given country, you can simply extract that. Limitation is that there's no header that auto populates, so you have to manually write the headers. Similarly, if you want to extract some more information like in terms of the population, you can simply go in and check for the population. Again, I'll just write it down. I want to see who is the leader of the given country and cities. You can simply go in and put the leader's name as well. I'll put the minimum wage I want to see. I can simply do that as well. Minimum wage. So you can extract the information as per your need. Second option as a part of the linked data type is the currency. Basically it is giving the exchange rates of the currency pair. So if I select this data and go to currency, it will convert this to a linked data type. Now if I click on the plus sign, you will see again multiple different fields are available to extract. Now I want to see from which currency to what currency I'm kind of converting. Then I want to see what is the previous close. I want to see the current price. This all information is available here. The only thing is you need to add the headers yourself manually. There's no automated fashion of adding the headers in Excel for the linked data types, but the number of options or the multiple fields provided by Excel is good enough for any individual to do any kind of a financial analysis on the exchange needed. Now if I want to see what is it 52 weeks high or low, I can simply do that. Next to the last option within the linked data type is a stock. It is not limited to just the equity data. It can also have mutual funds, ETFs, index and so on and so forth. I've taken a few examples of that. If I select this list and click on the stock, you will find that the system is converting. Wherever it is not able to find, it will ask you to select if there are multiple options available. As you can see for this entity, there's brk.a and .b. You can select either. I'll go with the B. Again, quant small cap fund system is not able to recognize. You can trim this down to probably small cap and try. Now you can see that is being giving you quantum small cap fund, regular growth or direct. You can choose again as per your requirement. I'll go with the growth. Again, there's another option coming in for the China mobile, which the system is not able to recognize. I'll go with the Hong Kong Stock Exchange and select that information. Now there's all the the stocks, mutual fund, index all being selected. Now if you go in and select all, now I can choose, so give example, the ticker symbol. So what is a ticker symbol that I can see right here as well, and I've extracted to a different cell as well. I want to see what is the kind of instrument. Is it a stock? Is it a mutual fund? And you can select the instrument type for that. I can see that these are stock, this is a mutual fund, this is a currency pair. Again, note that exchange, the currency exchange rates, you can find it using the currency data type. You can also use stock as well for the same. Now in this instance, there is no ticker, so system have given you the error of field since it's a mutual fund. Now let's see some more options. You can see the pricing information as well. If I select this and I want to see the prices, what is the price? Now cannot insert data because there's a merge cell in a way, so I'll add some columns here. I'll just stick till here, select my data and the prices. You can see the prices of those. If I want to see the P ratio, I can simply see the same as well. Now further, since you're talking about the stock, it is important to discuss about the function of stock history. So this function gives you the historical data of any equity that you want to review. So example, I want to see for Microsoft, so I'll select Microsoft. Start date, I'll take it as 1st of January 2000, and end date, I'll take it as today, the function of today. Then I need the daily prices. I need headers, so instrument identifier and header, so that I can recognize. Then I need the date, I need the open price, I need the close price. I want to see the lowest or the high value, the low value, and the volume of the given date. If I close this and hit enter, you can find that the system is busy extracting the data, and here's the whole historical data of Microsoft from kind of a 3rd of January. I believe there's a weekend on 1st and 2nd. So from 3rd of January till date, you can see all the prices of Microsoft, and you can see there's a drastic change in the prices in last 24 years approx, and this is the current valuation of Microsoft. So similarly, you can extract the historical data for any ticker that you wish to. Please play around with this. In case you have any questions, concerns, comments, please do let me know, and do like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.